Hello friends, this is Sriram Garud. Today we are going to learn articles. Articles are important in the study of English language. In order to communicate effectively, we should learn when to use articles at the time of speaking and writing. You also need to know when not to use an article, but their proper use is somewhat complex, especially when you use English. So let's see what is an article. There are three articles in English language. They are a, an, and the. The words a, an, and the are called articles. Actually, they are demonstrative adjectives and they are used to point out people or things. Articles are categorized into two parts: indefinite article and definite articles. Articles a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. To understand the usages of the articles a, an, and the, one has to know how to identify countables. Countable means countable nouns, and uncountables. Uncountable means uncountable noun. So, what is meant by countables and uncountables? Countables. Countables are the nouns which can be counted. For example, boy, girl, phone, file, key, pen, book, window, laptop, table, etc. These are the examples of countable noun. Whereas uncountables are the nouns which cannot be counted. Uncountables are the nouns which cannot be counted. For example, beauty, happiness, touch, wisdom, bravery, love, etc. These are the examples of uncountable nouns. Friends, please remember one thing here. The articles can only be used before countables. The articles can only be used before countables and not before uncountables. So let's see the first type, indefinite article. Indefinite articles a and an. A and an are called indefinite articles because they are used when one does not specify a particular person or place or thing. It means the person or place or thing is not specific, but it is general. Now see the usages of indefinite articles a and an. Indefinite articles can be used before a noun in different cases. They are used to point out an unknown person, animal, place, or thing. For example, a maintenance engineer will have a visit to the section. Next example, we have seen an eagle in the zoo. So here you will find that article a is used before a word maintenance engineer and visit and an is used before a word eagle. So article a and an can be used to point out an unknown person, animal, place or thing. Sometimes articles can be used to change a proper noun into a common noun. For example, the world needs a Shakespeare to create interest in writing quality literature. Next example, he is a Valmiki of present era. One more example, we need an Ashoka to teach the lesson of peace, love and duty. If you go through these three examples, here you will find that article A is used before words like Shakespeare, Valmiki and Ashoka. Actually they are proper noun. And in these three examples, they are used as a common noun. So article A can be used to change a proper noun into a common noun. Let's see the difference between article A and an. Article A and an are used on the basis of the sound of the words and not their spellings. Usually, A is used before a consonant and an is used before a vowel. So let's see the first, the indefinite article A. The indefinite article A is used before a word which begins with a consonant sound. Article A is used before a word which begins with a consonant sound. For example, a ball, a flower, a tree, a shop, a canteen, a pen, a laptop, a ring, a calendar, a book, a table, etc. All these are countable. They are in the singular number and they begin with a consonant sound. So friends, remember we use A before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a consonant sound. As I told you, we use the indefinite article A before a word which begins with a consonant sound, but there are some words in English, they carry the article A, though they starts with a vowel, but they have a consonant sound. For example, a university, a union, a uniform, a unit, a European, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, etc. The words university, union, uniform and unit begin with vowel U and European begin with vowel E. But both these words are pronounced with the U sound. U means U, that is Y-O-U, which is a consonant sound. And the word one begin with the vowel O. But one is pronounced with the W sound, that is W, which is also a consonant sound. Therefore, we say a 1 rupee note or a one-eyed man. Next, the indefinite article an. The indefinite article an is used before a word which begins with a vowel or vowel sound. Article an is used before a word which begins with a vowel or vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an enemy, an opportunity, an elephant, an animal, an inkpot, an owl, an operator, etc. All these nouns are countable. They are in the singular and they begin with a vowel sound. There are some examples or words. They carry the article an, though they starts with a consonant, but they have a vowel sound. For example, an honest servant, an R, an honorable priest, an IR, an MLA, an MP, an SP, an MA, etc. So friends, please note and remember one thing here. The correct choice of the articles a and an depends on the initial sound of a word, but not on the initial letter of the word that they precede. Now see the next type, definite article the. Article the is called definite article because it is used to indicate someone or something specific. Let's see the usages of definite article the. Article the is used in different contexts. Definite article the is used to talk about a specific or a particular person or thing. For example, did they like the book? Next example, we have to move towards the forest. Again, one more example. My parents came to meet me at the hostel. So, in these examples, article the is used before words like book, forest, and hostel because they are used about a specific or particular person or thing. That's why we have used article the before these words. We use article the before any noun when we want to particularize it. For example, we lost the ball with which we were playing. We lost the ball with which we were playing. Here, we are not talking of any ball, but the ball with which we were playing. Next example, switch on the fan in your room. Again, article the is used before an adjective in the superlative degree. For example, the tallest building, the biggest dam, the longest river, etc. Here, tallest, biggest, longest, these are the forms of superlative degree. That's why we always use article the before the forms of superlative degree. The is used with the names of holy books, newspapers. For example, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Paradise Lost, the Quran, the Gita, newspapers, the Times of India, the Economic Times, the Indian Express, the Maharashtra Times, the Lokmat Times, etc. Definite article the is used with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, and mountain ranges. For example, the Godavari, the Nile, the Amazon. Actually, these are the names of rivers. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. These are the names of oceans. the Arabian Sea, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Sahara. These are the mountain ranges. So article the is used with the names of rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges. We use article the with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. Or it can be used before unique common noun but they do not start with the capital letters. For example, the earth, the sun, the sky, the world, the east. It is used before a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. For example, the rose is a beautiful flower. The dog is a faithful animal. The lion is the king of animals. Here article the is used before common nouns like rose, dog and lion. But when we use article the before the common noun, so it represents the whole class. And the last important part of this topic, omission of articles, or it is also known as zero articles. There are some typical cases where articles are not used. No article is used with proper nouns and abstract nouns. For example, Prajakta, Ashok, Mumbai, these are the examples of proper nouns, and beauty, happiness, honesty, these are the abstract nouns. So we do not use any article with proper nouns and abstract nouns. No article is used with material nouns when they are used in general sense. For example, gold, silver, copper, sugar, milk, water. So let's see one more example. Gold is a precious metal. We do not use any article with the collective nouns if they are used in general sense. For example, society helps to develop our attitude. So here the word society is a collective noun and it is used in general sense. Therefore, we do not use any article before collective nouns. No article is used with the names of meals and diseases. For example, dinner, lunch, fever, typhoid, cancer, cholera. In this way, we have learned articles and the usages of articles. I hope you have understood the topic articles. Thank you.